17 foods you can eat as much as you want. Let's be honest, it's hard to resist cravings for tasty food when you're on a strict diet. You feel hungry all the time, and when you open the fridge, it's almost impossible to fight the temptation to grab something unhealthy. However, there are foods you can eat without risk of gaining weight. Can you imagine eating popcorn at any time and in any quantity? To figure out how that's possible, watch our list of foods that will never make you fat. 17. Celery. Celery provides only 6 calories to your body, and approximately 95% of celery is water. This super healthy food contains 30% of your daily requirement of vitamin K. Celery has anti-allergic and antiseptic properties. This plant can improve your digestion and overall health. Keep in mind that it's best to eat celery when it's fresh, as it loses most of its useful properties within 5 days of cutting. 16. Arugula. There are only 10 calories in 2 cups of arugula. It helps you get slimmer without damaging your health. Also, it can fight viruses and harmful bacteria, increase hemoglobin levels in your blood, and improve your immunity. You can mix arugula with white cheese and season it with olive oil. 15. Egg whites. You can eat egg whites in vast quantities, as 1 egg contains only 17 calories. It's even useful for those who follow a strict diet. Also, scientists found that eggs keep you feeling full for longer periods than foods that contain more carbs. Mix the whites with a few tomatoes and you get the healthiest omelet ever. However, if you care about your figure, it's better to avoid oil while frying. 14. Salad. Salad is packed with vitamins A and C, as well as folic acid and iron. It's practically devoid of calories, 10 to 20 calories depending on the type, so eating it in large quantities won't cause any weight gain. Adding salad leaves in your diet can help you get rid of stress, calm you down, and improve your sleep. However, keep in mind that you can't eat only salad and raw vegetables, as a strict diet always does more harm than good. 13. Cucumbers. Cucumbers contain almost the same amount of water as celery, 97%, and only 16 calories. Fresh, crunchy cucumbers have significant health benefits. The skin of a cucumber contains most of its nutritional value, particularly beta-carotene, which is good for your eyes. Therefore, it's better not to peel them. Also, eating fresh cucumbers can hydrate your body, normalize metabolism, and moisturize your skin. 12. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is an excellent source of vitamin C and K. Also, it contains only 25 calories. It's most nutritious when eaten raw, but if you don't like its plain taste, here's a healthy recipe for cauliflower omelet. You'll need 3 eggs, half a cup of milk, 7 ounces of cauliflower, greens, and seed oil for frying. Cut the cauliflower into small florets and boil them in salted water for 7 minutes. Finely chop the greens and whisk the eggs and milk together. When the cauliflower is cooked, drain it into a colander. Heat up the oil in a pan and add the cauliflower and greens. Stir in the egg and milk mixture. Fry one side of the omelet, then turn it over. 11. Tomatoes. 1 tomato has about 25 calories. Tomatoes are full of lycopene, vitamins A, C, and B2, folic acid, fiber, chromium, and potassium. They provide us with various nutrients vital for our health. Also, tomatoes can be called a natural antibiotic that can help you cope with the harmful effects of the environment. 10. Broccoli. Broccoli contains 31 calories, and it is one of the favored foods of those who want to lose weight. Apart from vitamins A, C, E, and K, it also contains approximately 20% of your daily fiber requirement. Moreover, adding broccoli to your diet can help you remove excess water and salt from your body. 9. Oranges. Oranges are one of the most delicious fruits. They are best known for their vitamin C content. By the way, the white stuff under the orange skin, the pith, is really good for you. It contains a lot of fiber, which helps to lower cholesterol, so don't take the pith off the orange the next time you're eating it. Also, 1 orange only contains 80 calories. 8. Kale. Kale, like any other edible seaweed, contains a large amount of iodine, and it's almost devoid of calories. It has about 32 calories. However, it doesn't mean you should rush to make sushi with seaweed. Remember that rice has a high glycemic index, and such products don't help with weight loss. 7. Sugar snap peas. Sugar snap peas are very low in calories. A cup of peas contains around 35 calories. They're quite rich in both fiber and protein. Also, eating sugar snap peas reduces the risk of cancer and heart attack and slows aging of the skin. 6. Grapefruit. Grapefruits help to stabilize blood sugar levels. They're full of vitamin C, and due to their low caloric value, they can help you reduce those extra inches around your waist. A grapefruit contains only 50 calories. You can either eat half the grapefruit before each meal or make grapefruit juice. 5. Melon. This fruit will satisfy your sweet tooth without blowing your diet. It contains over half the recommended daily value of vitamins A and C and only 55 calories. Melon is also very useful for preventing flu and improving the immune system. 4. Strawberries. It's another indispensable food for those who want to lose weight naturally. Strawberries are rich in potassium and fiber and have an anti-inflammatory effect. It sounds surprising, but a couple of strawberries contain as much vitamin C as an orange, and it only has 50 calories. 3. Blackberries. Blackberries are full of antioxidants and vitamin C. Also, they have an amazing taste. They're safe even for those who have been on a diet for a long time. The caloric content is also relatively low, only 62 calories. 2. Popcorn. 1 cup of air-popped popcorn will never affect your body. This movie snack mostly consists of air, and you can enjoy eating it without fear of gaining extra weight. Of course, it shouldn't be too sweet or caramelized. Plain popcorn contains only 31 calories per 3.5 ounces. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries have more antioxidants than any other fruit. Therefore, a cup of blueberries will help you balance your diet. This food is light in calories, only 85, so you don't have to worry about gaining weight. Now, what helps you control your weight and stay in shape?